Hello, in this video we are learning how to solve quadratic equations using factorization method. So our question is solve x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now to solve this equation, we have to first identify that x squared has a coefficient of 1, and there we concentrate on getting factors of this constant term 6. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So from these factors, we aim at getting two numbers which multiply and get a 6, and when you add them, you get a 5. So 2 and 3, 2 times 3 gives us a 6, and 2 plus 3 gives us a 5. Which 5 is this in our equation? So we always aim at getting a product 6, which is the constant term, and the sum, which is 5, the coefficient of x. Then we replace the 5 with 2 and 3, and also 6 with this 2 times 3. So let's write that. That will be x squared plus the 5 is now 2 plus 3 x, then plus 2 times 3 equaling to 0. So that will give us x squared plus 2x plus 3x, then plus 2 times 3 equaling to 0. So in this case, we are going to pair these terms. We pair this and this, from which you can factorize. For these first two, the common term is x, so we get x plus 2. Then plus, for this last pair, the common term is 3. 3 into x plus 2 equaling to 0. Now you should know that always this bracket should be the same as this bracket. And now we can see that this bracket is the same throughout. We factorize it out and remain with x plus 3 equaling to 0. So if you have a product of a and b and it is equal to 0, it means that either a is a 0 or b is a 0. One of these two should be a 0. So it's the same concept you are going to use for this. That either this bracket is 0 for us to get a product of a 0, or this bracket is a 0. So either x plus 2 is equal to 0, which gives us x to be negative 2, or x plus 3 is equal to 0, which will give us x to be negative 3. So these are the two answers to our question. Thank you.